This is a legacy Maple worksheet, classic. Newer versions use MW. You can still open this in modern Maple. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's calculate. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective MWS file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. An MWS file is a worksheet created by Maple, a powerful mathematical software package. Users create these files to solve complex mathematical problems, perform symbolic computations, create visualizations, and document their work. The primary user intent is to save, share, and reopen sessions containing mathematical equations, plots, and explanatory text. The MWS format is a proprietary binary structure designed by Maplesoft to efficiently store a complex mix of mathematical expressions, 2D, 3D plots, user interface controls, and formatted text. This container-like design ensures that all elements of a user's interactive session are preserved with high fidelity, unlike plain text, which would struggle to represent the rich object model. Maple, developed by Maplesoft, serves as the industry application standard for MWS. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows may open the document, but complex features like styles or tables need dedicated software. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the MWS file and choose Open With. Use Maple first. If it's absent, select another program. This systematic test sequence is essential. If the MWS file is still giving you trouble, relax. The specificity of the MWS format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, opening in Maple. Launch Maplesoft Maple and use File then. Open to load the MWS worksheet. Maple displays the document with all mathematical expressions, plots, and text intact. Re-execute the worksheet by selecting Edit, then Execute, then Worksheet, to recompute results with the current Maple version, ensuring up-to-date calculations. Next, converting to MW format. Modern Maple versions use the MW format instead of MWS. Open the MWS file in Maple and use File then Save As to convert to MW format. This newer format provides enhanced features and better compatibility with current Maple releases, preserving all worksheet content while gaining modern document capabilities. Finally, exporting to other formats. Use File then Export, as in Maple, to convert MWS content to PDF, HTML, LaTeX, or Microsoft Word formats. PDF export preserves mathematical typesetting and plots for sharing with non-Maple users. LaTeX export enables integration with academic papers, while HTML allows web publishing of mathematical content with full notation support. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.